Now we are going to Wachirathan Waterfall. It's a big waterfall of Doi Inthanon National Park. We are getting down from the highest point of Thailand from Doi Inthanon National Park. It takes about 15 minutes to the waterfall. It's not far from the peak point of Thailand.
I forgot to record the video. Okay. again.
นี่ถ้าจ้างดารานักแสดงมานะโดนด่าตายเลยใช่ไหมดาราแสดงบอกฮะ
Hello. I take you to Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. No.
Oh, I will take you to around the waterfall. Really big waterfall. It's named Wachirathan Waterfall. In Doi Inthanon National Park. Oh, it's really big and wonderful. When you get near the waterfall, it's like you get in the rainy season. Yeah. I'll show you. Now we are sitting at a coffee shop next to the waterfall. Look at this, yeah. Oh no! Hello?
Hello.
Yeah.
She
Yeah.
1 minute. Oh.
Okay. Hello.
สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีค่ะ
I think your camera just turned off.
Yeah, but
Okay.
it's like
All right. So
yeah.
this one on the other side.
Is it beautiful for the waterfall?
It is Suai Mak Mak.
สวยมากๆ Yeah, very beautiful. Yeah, thank you. And you?
Big waterfall.
Yeah, and the waterfall is behind him. Yeah, in front of the coffee shop. Okay, thank you. We are foreigners from America, the tourists. And this girl is from Thailand. And I am Thai too. Okay, I will take you to tour around the waterfall. And when you get back to the coffee shop, you can see the waterfall, small waterfall over there. Look at that. Yeah, it's the same waterfall it's steam from the big waterfall. Okay, I will show you. I will take you to see the waterfall. Oh, really beautiful. When you looked up from here, you can see it. น้ำตกวชิระทาน Yeah, really big. There are two gateways on the stair over there, and another one is over there. You can walk any side you want, but I will go by this side. Oh, look at the stairs. Look at the stairs, made of concrete. Yeah. Oh, can you see? Oh, really beautiful. Look at the beautiful waterfall. Yeah, very beautiful. Look at that. Look down on it. Yeah. Really dangerous, but beautiful. Oh, there's stair down to the water. Yeah, look at that. I think I should be careful. You can see the water on the stairs. Today is August the 2nd, 2022. It's rainy season in Thailand.
Thank